Hey guys, it's OKB, and this is the Robinhood offer. This is a direct offer from Robinhood themselves, so we're not going to be using Swagbucks or MyPoints for this offer. And yes, you can only do this once. There's no other way around it. The requirements are that you're 18 years old, you are a United States citizen, or from Puerto Rico, or you're living in the United States and you have a residence. You have a US visa, basically. Then yeah, you can open an account. Like, even if you're here for, I don't know, 6 months or something like that, you can open an account because you're here. You have a US visa. Now, if you meet those requirements, great. The first thing you should do if you are actually going to go for this offer is click the referral link in either the descriptions or the comments of this video. And that automatically gives you a free stock as long as you relink your bank account. And once you link your bank account, you get a free stock that can be worth up to. They say it's like $225, but like some people said they got something worth 500, almost 400 or something. I mean, in the this is the Robinhood Help Support Center. They say that you get something between $3 and $225. It's actually more because some stocks go up higher and people have gotten better stocks. But you have a 2% chance of getting something like 200 something dollars. You have a 98% chance to get something like $3 to $11, and they say $2.50 to $10, but based on Reddit, it seems to be $3 to $11. And who's gonna say no to free money, right? I know there's a 2% chance to get a couple $100, but that's not what we're aiming for. We're just aiming for a little extra cash. So all you have to do is, click the referral link, connect your bank account, and then once they verify that you are who you are, then you get a free stock, and then that free stock could be $3 to $11. Now you can't sell it right away. You need like 2 business days. I believe it says it somewhere here. We'll add 1 share of free stock to your account when you link your bank account and fulfill the conditions in your promotion. You'll be able to keep the stock or sell it after 2 trading days. So you probably want to move some money over to the account. Just wait for a couple days, maybe a week at most. 4 days should be enough. And then you can sell your stock and then move your money back into the bank. And that's your free stock. That's your free money, really. And that's that simple. Now, there's other versions of this. I mean, some of you guys actually might be interested in investing, I guess. So I'll share my investing strategy. As you guys can see here, this is 1 year, but I've been investing for about 2 years. Well, maybe not 2 years, a year and a half on Robinhood. And at first I knew nothing. I was just randomly doing stuff. And you guys can see like went down, went a little up, and then went down, and then suddenly went down because of all the coronavirus stuff last year. And now it's going like way up, and I actually earned $120 within the last month, so it's kind of crazy. But that's kind of how the market is at the moment. Now, I don't recommend you guys actually going a lot into it until you're really ready. But my general strategy in investing in stocks is, one, you need to diversify, so you can't just get one stock and just all in on that one stock. Don't do that. You guys can see I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 different types of stock all over the place, right? This is good because it doesn't make me want to keep selling. Some go up, some go down. I'm like, okay, great, awesome, and that's it. Now, my strategy for getting these stocks, like which one to pick, is I actually go to the index funds and look for dividend stocks. So, index funds, right? Just type in index fund list on Google, and they'll show a whole bunch of index funds. Here's 5, right? Random article. Wait, what is this? Let's go up. Okay. This is more of a commercial stuff. Oh, here we go. Fidelity, 0, Vanguard, S&P. What I do is S&P. I don't know why S&P seems better, but it just seems to be a lot more S&P. Just seems to be a lot more articles and information about S&P. 500 is probably 500 companies. Index fund, Schwab's. I mean, it's like slightly different investment portfolios. Basically, I take the S&P and I go S&P highest paying dividends stocks, right? And then there's going to be a whole bunch of newsletters that say this is the best, that is the best, this is the best. What you want to do is go around and pick ones that you think you are interested in. Then look for yourself. So they said that Exxon is the best. Okay, so what is the dividend table, right? Exxon. Okay, 87 cents. And what is the cost? Exxon cost stock. 56.07. You guys can see the dividend yield they'll calculate for you down here. That's how you know how high the dividend is. Of course, there's a risk here and there. That's why you buy a whole bunch of different types of stock. Exxon is an oil company. It's pretty fair. The price already dropped down from the coronavirus, and they're going back up. Like, they already went back up, so the buying time is a little bit over here. But that's basically my point. Like, dividend stocks are pretty good because they always pay you money, and they pay you money. Let me show you this. Like Dynex Capital, for example. You own 3 shares on February 19th, and you receive some dividend payments. So they're actually paying you a little bit of profit. Okay, so that's kind of like my backup, because if my stock goes down in value, at least they're still paying me money, and that money is going to cover the loss. Or it goes up, and I'm going to get money anyways. So all my stocks are dividend stocks. That's my strategy, and they're selected from the S&P 500 because, well, smart people chose it, and then I choose like some out of the really good ones, and thanks to that, it went up. And it is due to the stock market going up and down a lot, but I have had no problems. Like, I don't think anything that I've bought has gone down. I don't think any of them has actually gone down from whenever I bought it. So now, if you're wondering about whether whether the market's gonna crash again, let me show you what's a good one to see. Likes? No. Let's go KMI probably. Yeah. Okay. So going up and down. This is one I bought a long time ago, but you guys can see over the 5 years, gone up and down, and then suddenly it's such a low price. Yeah. In the long term investment, you should probably you can buy in at this point, because you guys can see how rapid it was even before Kinder Morgan stock was like affected by the coronavirus. It was going up and down. Like, this low points here is like $15, and then the high points was something like $23. That's $7 difference. Pretty crazy, right? And even if the stock is going down, which is slightly going down, it's way too low, too fast. Okay, this is my opinion. It's way too low, too fast. So if you're doing long term, like, even this point is good to buy in, because it's going to go back up for some. Even if it's going to go down eventually, it's probably going to get hit like here, around here, 19 or something, once the markets get back up. Some businesses aren't in the United States are starting to get back up. So, because we're getting vaccines. So, this is a great time to invest. It's still in the middle. You miss some of it, but that's my opinion. But I earned $1,000. No, not $1,000. I earned $100 and something from $1,000. So I don't mind this at all. Okay. But yeah, this is if you're actually going to invest. Don't invest too much. I think the general rule is invest 10% of your income. Follow that rule, and I think you should be good. All right, guys. There's going to be other offers, different types of offers. I decided to make a different type of video for this channel. Make sure to subscribe if you want to see more, and comment. Let me know if you invested and see what you use. All right, guys. See you guys in the next video.